Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a couple things that I want to knock out on the STI today. My front lip came in today finally, and also the front emblem that I'm replacing as well came in. I'll be sure to link both of those in the description so that way you guys can pick them up for yourself if you decide that you like them also. Hi Jordy.
Hi guys.
So what's that? What car is that?
Evo.
Okay. What car is this?
STI.
Okay, yeah, so replacing those two things. But before I get started with those, I'm actually gonna run to the car wash and spray out the engine bay from when I did the valve cover gaskets. So I saw like a couple oil drips and it made me a little nervous. I'm not sure if that was from a leak or if that's from just the residual oil that was left over, because I never cleaned it out after I replaced those valve cover gaskets. So I'm gonna go to the car wash and use the pressure washer there, go ahead and spray that off, and hopefully I'm good. I checked my oil level. Oil level's fine, so we should be good to go. But I still really don't want oil spots in the garage, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray that out as well. All right, so engine bay's clean. I went ahead and cleaned the car too since I was already at the car wash. So now we can go ahead and throw on the front lip, the new front lip, to replace this sad broken one that I have on now. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace that front emblem as well. So let's go ahead and get them unwrapped and let's see what they look like. Alright, the lip came with some double-sided tape as well as some mounting hardware as well, which is pretty nice. I actually ordered a lip for the Evo like way back when, and it didn't come with either of these. It just came with just the lip, and it was actually twice as much. So this lip was like about 50 bucks, so I will be sure to link this in the description. So let's get the car jacked up so that way I can go ahead and get this mounted on. Our new lip is installed and it looks pretty good, despite the fact that it was only 50 bucks or 55, somewhere around there. The mounting tabs weren't 100% spot on, but they were pretty decent given the fact that, like I mentioned before, it was only like 50 bucks. 100% would recommend picking up this lip for your WRX, STI, whatever you got. All right, so now that the lip is all done, we're gonna go ahead and replace this front eye badge, or that front Subaru badge on the car with that new one I picked up. So let's go ahead and get that opened up real quick. Now this looks pretty dope. I like how it looks in person, and 100% is gonna replace this badge here. So they just stick on with like double-sided tape. So this one I'm probably gonna have to heat up. I'll try to pry it off, but if not, I'm gonna try to heat that up so that way I can get that pulled off really quickly and set this one on, and I should be good to go. All right, now the front end looks good. It looks solid. I'm pleased. 100% would recommend picking up both these parts. If you're into the pink emblem, I think it looks dope. Like I said, 100%. I'm happy. I'm pleased with how it turned out. I do have more parts on the way for the STI in the next couple weeks. I actually have something sitting over there for the STI in that box over there. That'll probably be on next week's video. Comment down below what you guys think is probably in that box over there. First person to get it right, I'll cash app you $5. If you liked the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for weekly videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.